and welcome back to our channel Harshu Vlogs and Diaries. So today I'm back with another saree haul. So ఈ sarees అన్ని నేను డైరెక్ట్గా ఉప్పాడ వీవర్స్ నుంచి పర్చేస్ చేశాను. So I got them at very reasonable prices and trust me, the fabric also so good. సో ఈ సారీస్ అన్ని నేను రీసెంట్గా ఒక 6 months నుంచి పర్చేస్ చేశాను. అంటే 1 by 1 పర్చేస్ చేసుకుంటూ వచ్చాను, నాట్ అట్ ఏ టైమ్ ఆల్. సో ఇప్పుడు చూపించబోయే సారీస్ మీకు ఏవైనా నచ్చితే just go and do check out the link in description box below. I'm here with a bunch of sarees now, so I'm going to show you one by one. So the first saree in the row is this beautiful saree. So this is a jewel shade saree. So this is the saree in pink with contrast green color border. So all over మీకు saree మొత్తం ఇలా వస్తుంది. సో పైన మీకు ఒక 3 inches కడీ బార్డర్ వస్తుంది అండ్ బిలో మీకు అరౌండ్ ఒక 7 inches కడీ బార్డర్ వస్తుంది. సో గివ్స్ యూ అన్ ఎలిగెంట్ లుక్ వైల్ యూర్ వేరింగ్. అండ్ సీ హియర్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ మీకు సారీ మొత్తం పళ్ళు అండ్ సారీ మొత్తం ఇలా బూటీస్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ పళ్ళు వచ్చేసరికి పింక్ కలర్తో ఇలా ఉంటుంది. సో పళ్ళులో కూడా మీకు అక్కడక్కడ ఒక బూటీ ప్యాటర్న్ రన్ అవుతూ వెళ్తుంది. అండ్ ద లుక్ ఆఫ్ ద సారీ is going to be like this. So this is our first saree. Hope you like it. If you like the saree, just comment me in the comment section. And the second saree in the row is this saree. See, this is a beautiful saree. Almost andaru meeku models andaru katkoni chupichuntaru. And see, this is a mixing of 4 or 5 colors. So this is another Upada saree. I must say this is the most trending saree. So మీకు స్టార్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద శారీ స్కై బ్లూతో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఫాలోడ్ బై రెడ్, ఎల్లో అండ్ బ్లూ. అండ్ మీకు పళ్ళు వచ్చేసరికి వైట్తో ఎండ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇఫ్ యూ వేర్ ద శారీ, సో మీకు ఆల్మోస్ట్ మీకు ఫిల్స్ పోర్షన్లో ఇవి వస్తుంది రెడ్ అండ్ ఎల్లో. అండ్ మీ పళ్ళు పార్ట్లో వచ్చి బ్లూ వస్తుంది. And you can pair the saree with this beautiful blouse. So overall saree look వచ్చి ఎలా ఉంటుంది. So this all over ఈ saree కూడా మీకు total small booties రన్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. And it is going to have a big curdy border in the bottom and the small curdy border at the top. So overall saree look మీకు ఎలా ఉంటుంది. Okay, so this is the second saree in our row, and the next saree I'm going to show you is this saree. So this is again an Upada saree. This is a tissue saree. So it cost me around 2000 or so. So it is a dark elephant color and with some contrast pink color border. So ivanni chudanikana, so when you pair up with some matching Maggam work blouses, it gives you an elegant look and royal look too, and which is good for some parties and functions. So overall saree look మీకు ఇలా ఉంటుంది. Overall saree మొత్తం plain వస్తుంది. And at the bottom you're going to have this kind of pinkish border. So this is our third saree, and the fourth saree is also Upada tissue. So almost every lady ki oka color untadu anukuntanu. So probably you must wish to see yourself in this beautiful whitish color saree with a pink color border. So this is such a elegant saree, so that gives you a royal look while you wear this particular saree, even for some small marriages and kiddie parties. So this is again a tissue saree. So overall saree మొత్తం మీకు plain వస్తుంది. And just look at the saree. So the fabric is so good. Trust me. So you can wear this saree comfortably for up to 24 hours even. This is another type of Upada sarees. So see, all the sarees which I am showing now are budget friendly, and you can even purchase them at very reasonable prices with the Lakshmi Handlooms, which I am going to share the link in the description box. Please check out the description box below. So this is the look of the saree. So this is a cotton tissue saree. So this is such a pretty saree which I got for just 650 or so. So the fabric is so good. So this is a kind of imitation saree which I have shown earlier for the tissue saree. Fabric is so good, but since it is a cotton tissue saree, so you can feel the fabric of cotton with the tissue mix. So overall the saree is like this. So overall saree is in this golden color with the pinkish pallu. The next saree is this beautiful Upada cotton tissue saree. So overall saree meeku ila vastadi. So it is a bright golden color saree with contrast black color borders. So I must say elegance and simplicity. So that justifies truly for this saree. So it cost me around 650 or so, but it gives you the royal look. So which a 2000 worth rupees saree doesn't give. This silver color saree, see how pretty is this? It's a very simple saree. You can even pair it with any contrast blouse in your border. So that's all. You are good to go for any occasions and parties. So this is the saree. So this will be very pretty on every lady irrespective of the color and breed. And the last saree, so this saree also cost me around 650 or so. And the last saree in our row is this pretty saree, which is I don't know the terminology of the people, Upada people. Simply I can call this as a simple butta saree, which I have shown you earlier. So this is again a shade of the first saree which I have shown you earlier. First saree. So this is the overall saree comes in green color with some small booties all over, and with some curdy border in the front and top. And the saree is going to have a contrast blue color pallu and contrast blue color blouse. So overall look of the saree is going to be like this. So this is all about our Upada saree collection. So hope you all like this sarees. So if you like any one of the saree which which I have shown, just do check out the link in the description box below. Thank you.